Hi friends, in this video we will look at some of the more basic commands to use the MS-DOS. So first of all, you have to just go to Start menu and search for CMD and launch the application here. Okay, so first of all, let's work with the colors. There's a command, color space / and question mark. This command shows us all the unique numbers of every color, okay, so that we can change the foreground and background color of the MS-DOS. Foreground color means the text color, okay. So here, as you can see, 0 is black and 8 stands for gray. The 2 stands for green and 8 stands for light green. Okay, so let's check it. If I write color, 0 will be my background color, A will be my text color, and there it is. I've changed it. Okay, and if I write 4A, then background red, foreground green. Okay, if I write 7, which is white, and light purple, D, there it is. Okay, and 3A, whoa, that's beautiful. Okay, if I write 3B, oh, that's good. So stick with the 3A, that's beautiful. Okay, but this command does not change the foreground and background color permanently. In order to change the background and foreground color permanently, you need to just go to properties of the CLI window and go to colors. There you can select the text color and screen background color. Alright, currently my screen text color is there, which is gray, and screen background color is this. Alright, you can permanently change these colors, but I don't want to do this. Right, you can test it in your own PC. Okay, that's how you can customize the colors. CLS to clear screen. Now if I write here system info and hit enter, this command will take some time, and after taking the time to complete the processes, this command will display you all the necessary information of your hardware into your CLI command line screen. So here we go. Here it shows us all the information, as you can see. Scroll up a little bit here. And this is my host name, Future Envision, my Microsoft Windows 7 Ultimate, my operating system version, Status Pack 1. It's a multiprocessor, that's good. Every single thing he has to show on the CLI screen, as you can see. There are my IP addresses and my MAC addresses. DHCP server enabled, yeah. So it's a very nice command. Okay, so CLS to clear my screen. And if I write chkdsk, that means check disk, and hit enter, this command will return me some errors, my disk errors, if any error found in my disk. Okay, so it's a good utility command. If I write chkdsk space / and then this / F switch will try to fix all the errors which is returned by the chkdsk command. Okay, but I don't want to execute this command because it requires some reboot processes, so that's why I don't want to do this. You can test this command in your own PC. So CLS again to clear my screen. Now I will go to my desktop. Where is my desktop? My computer is C. Users, Future Envision, and this is my desktop. Okay, so currently where I am at Future Envision. Okay, so here I must write cd desktop. Oh, wrong spelling. Desktop. Now that's good. So I'm inside my desktop folder, as you can see, and now I am inside my desktop. Okay, here. So let's try to work with the md and rd commands, which are used to create both creating and deleting directories. So I'll create two directories and delete both of them on my desktop. So right now cd users slash future Envision slash desktop. System cannot find the specified path because there may be a space needed. Yeah. Okay. So now if I create make directory md a, so there will be a folder a will be created here. Okay. If I use the same command mdb, and there's my b. Okay. Now if I write remove directory rd followed by my folder name a is gone. If I write rdb, b is gone. Okay. So that's how you can create and remove directories, CLS. Let's try to move and copy folders and files. So I think C will be a better place to do this. In this case, I'll write cd space /. This command will move my current working directory to directly to my root drive, which is C. Okay. Now what I'll do, CLS again. I'll create one folder, make directory A, inside my C, as you can see. And now what I'll do, I'll just copy my FE into A. Okay. So in this case, I'll write X copy. My source is FE, right? And space, my destination folder is A. And space, this is necessary. We must use a switch. But first of all, let's try this statement. So FE image.jpg, one file is copied. If I go to A directory, there's only one image copied. Okay. So, but what about the other empty folders and subfolders? To achieve this task, we must use a switch, a space /e. If I hit enter, yeah, wise. Okay. So I have pressed Y so that all of the image can be override because it exists on the destination folder already. So if now I open my A, so there it contains all the empty folders and subfolder because of this /e switch. All right. So now let's try to delete them all. Okay. So now I will move this FE into A. To move this FE, I'll write move my FE space A. So one directory is moved. If I go to A, so there is my FE along with my empty folders and subfolders. Okay, so that's how you can copy and move all the files and directories in MS-DOS. Okay, there's one interesting thing that Xcopy is used to copy all the files and folders, but on the other side, this move statement used to move all the directories and files as well. But a simple copy statement with my source and destination paths can only copy the files, not directories. Okay, Xcopy is better than copy. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will look at some of the more commands. See you in the next one. Thank you.